Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a Nissan Rogue. This car is 2013 with a turn switch. You know, like when you say turn switch, the knob. This car, the engine computer was replaced, ignition switch was replaced, the whole cylinder, the body control module was replaced. If you see there, that's the body control module. The steering lock with that one, the steering lock module is being replaced. I'm gonna show you the steering lock module to give you a quick information. This is not, no, this is not it. It's supposed to be somewhere, hold on. Oh yeah, here. This is a steering control module, which is send signal, a body control module will send signal from here to turn and unlock the key so that the key can turn. This is also one of the remotes was being replaced. Also, I believe the body control module was replaced. I don't know what is the problem, but this is the BCM, the body control module for this car. So, a lot of things being done. But before, you see here, even the engine computer, the body control module. I just try to give you some information. Right now, our problem is that let's go ahead and try to program this car. If you take the ignition switch out and you put the key in the ignition without even turning it, okay, and take this one, and this is useful when you have, I'm gonna turn it, okay, you see, and this is useful when the steering lock module is no good. I'm gonna turn now. You see, the car is start. And this is, you can do this only when your steering lock is not working. You can disconnect it, take it out. You can take all the element out of the module, and the car can start regularly. But the proximity will not work. So right now, let's start all over. If everything is okay, it should work. If it's not, we know that it's not gonna work. So let me see something quick. I'm gonna put this back as you see. So this key is working. I will try to program this. This never turn. So I'm gonna try to go through the regular procedure, how you program it and how to narrow down this problem. A lot of stuff being replaced in this car. We don't know what is the cause of it. So I'm gonna come here to IMO. I will say accept, put the hazard light on. We're gonna do Nissan, Asian car. And then we go to Nissan. Let me just do something quick here. So now let's go follow the step and just we consider it everything is okay. Nissan, ignition is off. I'm trying to see if I can reprogram everything new. Auto detection. This is Rogue 2013 with a twisted ignition, and the body control module is not activating, is not working. So they changed the first ignition cylinder unit, which is they call a steering lock unit. In this car, the steering lock unit is one piece. The newer cars, they move the steering lock as a different unit. So this is a progress of the key without the steering control unit. Then they put the key with the steering lock, and then the one combination, and then they move the steering lock module in a different, and then eliminate it in the new car. They don't have it. And every time they eliminate something, they're saving money. The steering lock control module is cost about $600. Installation and everything, you talk about maybe almost $600, $700, $800. They eliminate that one. Still, they sell you the car at the same price, so or more. So that means just if they sell 1 million cars without a steering lock module, you talk about 600 million saving money. I just calculated like that. Technology, the more the technology on cars, that are supposed the car have to be a little bit cheaper. But I see that the price is going high a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna tell you. Emo scan. I will scan the emo. If everything is okay, I will be able to command. Maybe this car have electrical problem, but I just try to give you the overview. That control module there, the body control module, which I just have one down there. The body control module job is after you get the correct signal from the steering lock control, the immobilizer, it will send signal to unlock the steering control module, and you're gonna hear a noise, check. When it's unlocked, this will turn. As soon as it turns, the second step is to program the key. So now I'm gonna go all key lost and see if it will help. All mechanical key lost, all smart key lost, guided. So let me go. I'm gonna start. No, this is wrong. I gotta go other way. Yeah, I cannot unlock it. I'm supposed to unlock.
It's not even locked.
Yeah, that's why it's not sending anything to unlock.
Yeah.
So that's the
But
problem.
this comes from the body control, no?
Yeah, the body control. Did you put the other one? Can you put the other?
Yeah, I'll put it for you.
Yeah, plug that. Let's put the other one. Maybe some of them, some body control module are not for the car with the steering lock module. Maybe.
Huh?
Some body control module are not coming from the car with the steering lock module. So just be sure. This steering lock module belong to the same car, right?
The steering. Yeah, this one was original. This BCM is original.
Just put the one you got it from the junkyard. Yeah, you need to spend some time for diagnose this car correctly.
I
Because
did.
as soon as you do this
I checked everything. Now everything is working from the computer. I have all my look. You can see my Y diagrams here.
Yeah, I see.
I checked everything, but the only thing, this thing is not service.
They make it not easy to come out.
Be surprised. See? No flesh.
If it doesn't work, then you're gonna go back again to all your wiring continuity and take it from there.
Well, this is what I was gonna do today.
Yeah.
Because this one we put in already. When your son was here.
No, but you put it in without the steering lock module. This body.
No, this one here was in with everything.
Not without this without
Yes,
the steering lock
everything.
module. So even
Everything.
the steering lock
When your
module.
son came, when he did it, he says I can't get open.
No, but you told me you already changed the steering lock module, the steering lock.
No, I did that last week.
Yeah,
And then your son came.
yes, I remember.
He came and we had this old module, the new one from the junkyard in there.
So let's try it one more.
And he
then if it
he
doesn't
couldn't
work,
do it.
If it doesn't work, then you have to spend some time on.
This is
everything.
what I was gonna do today, because
You look like you have wiring issue.
yeah. Go ahead.
So,
Oh no,
yeah, what up?
this is the junkyard one.
That the junkyard one?
This is the junkyard one.
Okay.
See the number?
Yes, yes. So
This is the
ori-
original one.
Okay, I got it.
So now you know the junkyard didn't work.
If not even the junkyard no work, so there is some problem somewhere.
Yeah. I have this problem with the old one. So this is what I was gonna do next. Follow the wiring for this.
Yeah, to check all the power.
I had to follow the wiring for this now.
Mhm.
So this is what I was gonna do today. This is why I tell you I don't think we should do anything. Because anyway,
That's why
you
I
should
just
try.
want to try
Yeah,
to
you
get
should
some
try.
information.
You try it. Maybe you got better luck.
It doesn't work. Nothing is working. So we try everything.
You see these wires here?
Yes.
This
This is the original one.
Mhm.
But wow, this also is not working.
Mhm.
Okay, let me see now what's gonna happen.
I don't think it's this.
Yeah, it's
This
not
one-
this because two ignition switch will never fail.
Yeah.
This one also is failing.
This one was opening before I connect everything. It was opening.
Yeah,
no
yeah, yeah.
problem.
Opening part by
Once
the.
I connect everything,
Uh-huh.
you hear something go click, and that's
And
it.
then they lock it. So you may have to look for it. Further diagnosis needs to be taken on this car.
Yeah, so that's what I
But
was
this
gonna
is
do
the
today.
idea.
Check the current there, check everything.
Yeah, check it and spend some time on it, and then we take it from there.
Right?
Okay, this is the idea of why things doesn't work and a further diagnostic to do. Hopefully, you have the idea of how this ignition steering lock work and how you can program it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and tell us what. If you have any idea, also give us some dump up or information. Thank you.